It's a marvelous day to see what's inside the box. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Scott here from CanGeek Games and Collectibles. It's Thursday, June the 17th, and we've just received a product order from our distribution company. So today, I have 2 boxes and 1 X-Acto knife. So let's see what's inside the boxes. Now, in truth, I know that these are Marvel action figures. But they are pre-packaged by our friends over at Hasbro. So what they've actually put in these boxes, because they're a multi-pack, I really don't know what they are. So this could be very entertaining. So let's do this. Yeah, let's see. We have Avengers characters from Endgame. So we have Spider-Man, Star-Lord, oh look, another Spider-Man and Star-Lord. So that's 2 of each. Ooh, yes. So we got Rocket Raccoon and Shuri from Black Panther. So much goodness here. And 2 more. So we got 2 of each. So we got 2 Spider-Man, 2 Star-Lord, 2 Shuri, and 2 Rocket Raccoon. So that's the first box. Let's see what's in the second one. Okay, so we're on to box number 2 here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we have more Avengers Endgame characters. We have Iron Man. We have 2 Iron Man. 2 Iron Mans. We have Captain America from Endgame. The second Captain America. We have Ronin. We just broke with the rule of 2. Thor. Black Widow. Oh my god, this looks good. We have the Black Panther. And that is what's inside the second box. So all of these characters are part of Hasbro's Marvel Titan Hero series of characters. They are 12-inch characters, and they will all be available to purchase through our web store at cangeek.com by the time this video is released on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. So if what you saw coming out of those boxes interests you at all, head over to cangeek.com where you can check these out. We do ship anywhere within Canada using Canada Post as our courier of choice. Thanks for sitting through this unboxing video, and until we talk again next time, ciao for now.